very difficult for all of us. We in Soil feel blessed that we have the 5 pillars as our foundation that have helped us in this difficult time. The practice of compassion has helped us to make sure that before thinking of ourselves, we think of others. The way our alumni and students and staff went the extra mile to serve those in pain, the migrant labor, the elderly in their community, and so many other aspects. We were so very grateful to see that. The power of ethics in action, where we all came together and said, you know what, our revenues have got impacted, but we are not going to lay off a single person. We must also pay on time salaries to those who are cleaning our shop floors, our classrooms, our campuses, and securing them. So the contract staff were always paid on time, even though our campuses were closed. That was ethics in action. We also said we should go the extra mile to serve the needs of students, that they are not able to come to classroom, but let's make the digital experience special for them. And so all the faculty learned to do that, the students adapted, and in fact we were so happy that the students found the digital learning experience quality to be even higher than the one of in physical campus. Then we saw the power of diversity. You see, we have these partnerships all over the world. We have so many friends all over the world, and they all helped us during this difficult time. On every Thursday, I hosted a series saying that becoming the better version of yourself. We had exceptional leaders, a Nobel laureate and a senator from America, CEOs of companies. We had entrepreneurs and great business leaders from India. We had leaders from Japan. And they all came together to give their time generously to us. And to learn from this diversity of leaders from all parts of life was very special. Then we saw the power of sustainability when, along with our partners, Shizenken Business School and ISE Business School and FGV in Brazil, we all came together to co-create a new course called The Future of Capitalism, where business school students from all over the world participated. And they were dreaming about what could they do to transform business so that it could serve the planet. Next year, IMD Switzerland, Copenhagen Business School, Lagos Business School, and several others are joining this initiative. And we are absolutely so very excited about that. Then the whole practice of mindfulness. You see, every day we have a morning meeting where we begin with a prayer, and this a few minutes of silence and inner journey that we begin the day with. And then right through we teach our students, and all of us we do pranayam, yoga, meditation. This is such an important aspect for us to source resilience and well-being, and to remain focused in the present rather than get impacted by the past or have anxiety for the future. And we enabled so many of our people to leverage the power of mindfulness through this difficult time. As we look at 2022, I have every reason to believe that not only will the power of our 5 pillars continue to help us, but the new emphasis we have on agility and learning agility is going to help all of us to not only survive but thrive. We all are learning to live with the virus. We are learning to raise our game. We are learning to come together as a community in difficult times. And this power of community, this power of agility, and this power of really learning to not only survive but thrive with the power of our 5 pillars is going to hold us all in good stead. I'm very grateful to all our students, alumni, staff members, teachers, recruiters, mentors, board members, and the larger community which has celebrated Soil as an exceptional experiment in higher education. And we feel very fortunate and deeply grateful for your love and affection. I wish each and every member of your family the very best for 2022, and we pray that you all remain healthy and you all not just survive but thrive. Thank you for listening.